Today we're considering real estate versus savings and other deposits. And we are arguing it a few years back, 2017 precisely. I told my friend, a banker in Port Harcourt, he had two sons, please make available 2 million. Use 1 million for each of them, investment in fixed deposit or savings, then use 1 million for land in a place I'll show you in Lagos. He bought a place I showed him in Lagos. 7 years down the line now today, the 1 million naira land they bought for 1 million naira is going for 18 million naira now. It will amaze you. Now, the deposit in his own bank for 1 million naira is still struggling to make 3 million naira. You can imagine. So, check for yourself where to put the money. As we speak today, savings rate in Nigeria, bank pays you not up to 10%. Treasury bills, which is government treasury bills, not more than 10%. Then inflation rate is 40 and above, which means the money in the bank is running at a loss of 40%. It's not possible in real estate. Run with today's capsule and be wise in investment. God bless you as you keep to this channel for more of these capsules. Subscribe, share with others. They also learn and make wise investment decisions. Have a great day. Just